Hello, dear children. How are you? I wish you all are fine. Today, we are going to do the reading of the chapter number 11, Stephen Hawking. In previous video, we have discussed the short summary which is related to Stephen Hawking. We know it very well that Stephen Hawking is the name of famous scientist in the field of physics or cosmologist. ठीक है, he did discover the theory of black hole and relativity. He is a very prestigious personality in the field of science. So let's start the reading of the chapter from page number 136, second paragraph. In 1950, the family moved to St. Albans, Hertfordshire. Stephen, who was 8 that at the time, ठीक है कि when the family shift to St. Albans in 1950, Stephen Hawking was 8 years old. Still, he hadn't learned how to read or write. ठीक है, he had no idea about how to read or write despite attending the Byron House School. In St. Albans, he attended the Radlett School before moving to St. Albans School in 1952. In St. Albans, first he attended the Radlett School and then he shifted to St. Albans School in 1952. Both his parents put great priority on their children's education. We know it very well that both his parents were well educated. So that's why they wanted to give the best education to their children and they give first preference. Priority means first preference on their children education. Frank is the name of Stephen's fathers, had hoped his eldest son would attend the prestigious Westminster School. ठीक है, it was the wish of his father कि his eldest son means Stephen Hawking must join the prestigious Westminster School in Oxford when he turned 13. However, that time the family was not well off. The financial condition well off means the financial condition of the family is not very strong. They could all afford the fees. They can't afford the fees of Westminster School without the aid from a scholarship. Without the help of the scholarship, because that time their financial condition was not very strong. Clear? On the day of the scholarship exam, Stephen fell ill and could not appear for the exam. As a result, as a consequences means result, he had to remain at St. Albans School. He had again in the same school, that is the name of his school is St. Albans School. This was not a blow means a great shock to the young student. Young student means Stephen Hawking. This was not a great shock to the Stephen Hawking, as he was rather happy at the school he attended, because he was very happy in the same school which he was attended. He was not willing to shift himself from Westminster School. What is most interesting about Stephen Hawking's early year is the fact that ठीक है now कि very interesting fact about Stephen Hawking's early years that he was not a very good student. He was not very good student. Clear? He was not very good student. He was an average student. There was times when he was close to the bottom of his class. There was also time comes when he was very close to the bottom of his class. With a little more efforts, he managed to improve his marks. With a little more efforts, with the more efforts, he managed to improve his marks. In a 2010 lecture titled My Brief History, Hawkins admitted, Hawkins declared कि my brief history of time at school, I was never more than about halfway up the class. कि at school I was where I was a average student. I was not very intelligent. My classwork was very untidy. ठीक है, he admitted that my classwork is not very neat and clean. My handwriting was despair of my teacher. ठीक है कि my handwriting is very poor. Even my teachers are not able to understand what is written by Stephen Hawking. ठीक है, but my classmate gave me the nickname Einstein. But Stephen Hawking said that declares that my classmate कि Stephen Hawking के classmates थे, they always called him Einstein. They gave him nickname Einstein. So presumably, probably, ठीक है, presumably means probably, this a sign of something better. They had seen something better. What was this? What was this something his fellow student and teachers saw? कि what was something better? ठीक है कि what is good with Stephen Hawking, what qualities he have, which his friends and which his fellow friends and teachers had already noticed. From a young age, Stephen would pull apart clocks and radios, trying to see what made them work. कि in very young age कि he क्या करता था कि Stephen pull apart clocks and radios and check how these objects are working. ठीक है, after dismantling means assembling them, he was not very good at successfully putting them back together, though कि not very as a perfect with pure perfection. He was not able to assemble them back. But Stephen aptitude for the science became apparent. Now his hunger, aptitude means his curiosity to know about science, became apparent, out of control. Even at school, thanks to his mathematics teacher Dikran Tata, he became more and more interested in the subject. With the help of with the proper guideline of the maths teacher Dikran Tata, now the mathematics became the one of the favorite subject of Edward. ठीक है, Stephen Hawking. And with the help of the mathematics teacher, he was among a group of students who built a sort of primitive computer, and under the guideline of his maths teacher, he was the part of that group who built a sort of primitive computer with the help of recycled part from other object like clock and other object. ठीक है, now when the time came to decide on his higher education, now he was shifted from his school education to higher education. Clear? Stephen father wanted him, the Stephen father Frank, he was also a medical researcher. He wanted him to attend Oxford University College. ठीक है, he wanted him to join the Oxford University College. And Oxford, where he had studied too. ठीक है, where he had studies, where his father also studied. And Stephen was keen to pursue his love of mathematics. Stephen, we know it very well that mathematics was the favorite subject of Stephen Hawking, and he wanted to continue his graduation with math subject. However, his father felt there was no viable future for a math graduate. But his father felt that there was not viable means very bright future for a maths graduate, and he wanted his son to study medicine. So that's why he wanted his son to study medicine, take the biology subject. Okay, how biology, however, did not appeal to Stephen. Clear? Beside this, the college had accepted Stephen. Clear कि college is ready, Oxford University is ready to accept Stephen, but it did not offer a mathematics. But the condition is this कि that time mathematics subject was not introduced in Oxford University. ठीक है, so that's why at that time as a compromise Stephen decided that he would study physics. Now, as a compromise, now Stephen had decided that he would go with physics subject again. Financial restraint required him to apply for a scholarship. Again, same problem. The financial condition crisis in front of him, the financial condition is not very strong, they are not financially very strong. Okay, clear? And but this time Stephen gave the examination, Stephen gave the scholarship examination and received, he gave a scholarship examination and received a near perfect score in physics, ठीक है, and get a very good score in physics at the age of 17, younger than many of the students, ठीक है. When he joined the Oxford University, he was only 17 years old and he was very younger among all other students. And Stephen began his undergraduate course at University College, Oxford. Now he began to do his undergraduate or graduate course from University College, Oxford. Today we will do the reading up to here. Next we will discuss in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.